awofo asam no one ye awofo a omotiti omoma yie but ye frɛ bi peer pressure akoda na yi dum pempenso bi a ebia na sika ofie but anyonko fa bi okofa ye no omo na omo leading into this kind of stuff armed robbery, prostitution, what have you. Eti yam blame awofo no too much. Maybe you can blame the parent like 50%. The 50% also depend on the individual because only now, you know, you the parent, you cannot control the mindset of your child. Would the answer over direct no, but on one no nimni or he has the right to do whatever he or she wants to do.
So my Ghana ye just said ye adosu ye pants ye na ye be kaya kono a so robbery so o my kaswa say obi yi sika every bank just moto nkofu moto so mo di ni titen sa abra mani ko jina kwa ho so kwa kufa trotro ebi akọ nfie wa asumjema nkofu di ni tite ko jina na nimu ko ji sika le free ni se no mo ji sika le kwa na nko mo hye mo nko enso no mo sa bo mani tuo ji ni kra free ni se mo ya no assign esibio mo wa adofo assign esibiom ewo second D I assemble eswo second D akwade metropolis ho na assemble asa akwakosie ma me bi adeso ni okunu akọ nearby bank omakokọ de akwako yisika atese omo de anya chocho bi no mo fa yo na omo no ti omakotro mo private car ma atese omo betu nsantene ani de se robbers yi edi moto ekọkọsi wo mo edi omo sem sika no mo wie so eno so anso ha no mo bo omo etuo edi won kra biom sare de free won ensem na etoso biom asem no related to development lower Menya municipal and Greek office is located at Eastern Region no Krono Benzu so de akosopa aya asemkuma let us say 4 days nie no Krono na kwa na de ekoso ewo ekronum atese di ehunpa kese aya de aba bebo omaino na ye lower Menya municipal officer of a Greek in charge of extension services Alex Fojo I can wasn't the Chester FM for say ni enyama de ekoso adofo just a chrono semno adosu ye pa na jimre na me ba madomu su kono ma pensem mu na me nyame nya be ma bi wo ha me nenu e ba betwetwe ehu enkomo adofo kamenu enema Mr. Peter na Kwame Gale akwaba nana me ma akwaba nana de se ewudie toswa ekoso ewo yeman Ghana mu na wo hye Menya municipal assembly kroya de hu bi aba be beto krono super yansem kwata na asem keto sorry na wotie Eric Johnson mu ache so say krono na ya dia ekoso pa ewo mu office so even though so omu penny just the burglar proof e dey shisha office or aside so mu kuma me ni okunu ni na omo sa ko offices won mu ekowia enkunya desktop just say omo fa enema bebre na dia omo ti ja office open no omo document na omo yi police for asutire bebre afa wudi sema ye de ekoso na bebi yi offices no wo kra so no o wi for so ye de ete ho no ade so wudi ewo atrenchie pa anya asem ketwa na nini na mu no mo police for man na so mo ai de mo chi omo ni kra se enu de emfa omo na utie Mr. Eric Fojo ensem mo ade so kire se sabaya mpe mo asem anka enyo mo be jai omo sedi a omo edi no wo kro ni so no omo be jai edi ayede atwo no mapa mo ba bi atene fi se omo timi hyema obi hunu mede de emeji omo kra enfiri omo nsa de na wakafa ensem a ekoso yimu
yo mimi aba medawase mamema wetie for ajo
omo jiuso
asemo kronosema ekoso One, yen to me emblem a police force say or my reluctant say be a to mo animal. Come out say who travel overseas police service no services be you join with joy. But Ghana no enter yen security system no I know shit. Yeah, in terms of security. It is sometimes I don't blame the police because almost year for Emma. It's your team fan the car and to chachasa.
Now, Mokasa wants me fan a cry and to chacha. Imagine Yagam Tantaka catches or moon a sea will be a piano or to possess or moon person be police for. Or moon a woman knew what the brand or moon a lot of enjoyment one who almost say. Police Juma on bed, on the father or moons no more bogan and mine by. It is a Wokasa, I am imagining Tantaka crack.
Okay, my main church.
Okay.
I'm gonna call police some of the poor or mine Ghana and mobile. They are ready, they are willing to serve the country. Okay, but what is the country also doing for them? What is the government also doing for them? Do they have the necessary equipment to protect themselves against this robbery? No, they don't have. It is a fine. Marco, one, okoye bima say obenya sikadi ahwe no ho ahwe ne busuafo. Then second, say obebo as a police personnel there, security agency there, obebo oman ho ban say the community you live about will protect the community. But if out of your interest you want to protect the community, but the government that or the people, because they say, friends, the democracy is the government of the people, for the people, and by the people. So if the people you are going to protect are rather against you, it doesn't make any sense. So you understand? Me suma mind, me suma bang. This abandon you ready. So be mama akudi say fata me be kwa akwa and akuna me kwa akoyede. You understand? Sometimes in this kind of issues, no, we shouldn't blame the police that much. We should blame the government always. We should always blame the government because they are not equipping our security agencies to go to the war front. That is why I'm saying, in my opinion, we shouldn't blame the police if they say they don't want to, take action because on moving you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And sanity emra enshada enye edwuma more. Even if these robbers say ye chibi police ni bomodin e de ne crowd to no koche armed robber no e no kotum ya arranging for court that same armed robber no ebenya ni wofa bia owo aban mu a oba be ka aman so to say emu hia so be fa lawyer kra obe company for no we are no offer say no mo hwena yen ka ne fie na de okodi ewu no amroba na okodi ewu no na wafa ne ho adi. You understand? See, running nya atwom ne sa the market corruption no eba be see corruption. So as a firm there so bibi any way betumi aya found we are lacking, to be very honest, in security system no they need equipment. They need to be well equipped before they can fight all these notorious armed robbers in our communities. Apart from that, there's nothing they can do. You can't go for a war with your bare hands. You understand? You understand? So, me blame police for me blame government for whichever reason. I still blame the government on this.
Okay. Yo na Ujusa and then Omaba just omo de down omo de robbery and na omo de ebeye wo adwuma no yes say e wo so omo yes na say awofo so ye de e ka ho etina ma omo ma etimi abenya ye notorious
na ya samo awofo asam no one ye awofo a omo tete omo ma ye but ye free peer pressure akoda na yi dum pempensu dia ebia na sika ofie but anyanko fa bi okofa ye no omo na omo leading into this kind of stuffs armed robbery, prostitution, what have you. It's young blame awofo no too much. Maybe you can blame the parent like 50%. The 50% also depend on the individual because only you the parent you cannot control the mindset of your child. Who the answer over direct but onwa no nimni okoso he has the right to do whatever he or she wants to do. And we can't blame the parents too much on this. you're saying to me blame parenting too much. And one, like I said, lack of jobs. Any of mine. So what's the youth going to do? What are they going to live on? And we are living in a global village now. Internet is everywhere. It's almost they watch what their colleagues out overseas are doing. They are driving good, nice cars and what have you. They are earning good money. Only living flashy life. So what they also want to do is kind of be able to say or enjoy that good life maybe. But also my one, if you have been or why didn't pray Ghana if you have been or a bit make at least 5,000 Ghana cedis a month. A burden, you understand? So say I'm penny for no almost taking that into consideration. One per se, a woody NSR and your man to a there. One, the best thing is said on by establishing a human baby human. Because the youth will say, what's away with you, man. I don't think, say, about you say, go out and do something evil. Because why busy, who you with you, man? You understand? So if we have the industries, you will be busy, no evil thoughts will come in their minds. So one, I still blame the government again for not creating jobs for our youth.
So what can say who blame Abina? Esachi majeso kakra se bibia na aban ebetumi aye ana unzuzu se ebia youth of today no bebre na ya ampe bebre na no pese omudi omonse do anyakopon hwa soma no ama omo no omudi be ya adwuma.
Yes, obetumi aye adwuma, but support. Memfa say ebia obi aye ready so obeton ade kakra, but oni dwetire. Kwamba so no befa. And if there's any support, for instance, me old Dubai, we 3 to 6 months, you qualify for loan up to I think 50,000. 50,000 is around 75,000 Ghana cedis. I buy the bed wow. Emodu government banks at the amount. So we don't have that kind of support here. It's a better na nipa na why ready so be adwuma no o ni great there obviously then na kwa share adwuma ase. So I think say we should look at that aspect. Youth no, that is the only thing, that's the only way we can promote the youth. Say onye adwuma o mi adwuma ye on one so person ye adwuma but only the capital to start the business. So how do you expect such person to work? And then apart from say Obaga Robo you understand?
Okay. Yo that's pa Mr. Gale that's wo church muna what's ye Mr. Eric for Johnny Kasayema. What means to say chrono no idea kosupa ewo secondary aprade hono menya amenitu pa no idea kosu wo ye pa na wasa si sumu subiom say baby as offices na kasa won we 4 boys notorious 4 quiet then egu hono now so say there was say police for no ye mo omu ebecha offices no ehu ehia ana say senior go see efaka ni so kan say okan ya police for bu ni ogu maso na omo ntie no ana say aban otu safra aban say aban emra nsan mu a emra adwumede mu aban so enya wasempe bia enka chomo to so mu nja musa na ni obia enfa ne niema enkofi ana
it is but make say emra enya adwuma o man mu. That is one reason. Oko abontin, oko outsider. Police for you hardly see police on the street. And as I say police for akotresha baby say you bought a happy buy another baby sa. No, because there's CCTV camera everywhere. To me ni bone emfa hunni. This apano are ready so obekon etia those kind of activities now. There are measures that the government can put in place. Why installing cameras? Okay. Nipa no kodi bone no yehu no the police can follow, but our police personnel no are they equipped that much? No. How many CCTV cameras do we see on our streets? So be di bone a pamba so le be fa e be trace nipa no. Nti if sa akwan ni nyina sa nwema ni nyina ewo sa ehye ni nyina egu akwan mu a anka sa nwema o kodi bone kwa o so nim se e den aye be chew ehun hia sa ye fa police embo dompem oh baby as one can say okay our police were ha nti me nkoko. Because the woman himself, there's no security. It's any security now. They say you have police, need soldier for, and go train share baby. With one CCTV camera, no, it can do a lot. It can save a lot.
Okay.
Until the government still needs to work on those aspects.
Also, say Ghana yakechi.
Yakechi, and like I said, Wapayo. Then penny from almost too quiet Ghana day now. They see these things outside. They just don't want to implement it here out of selfish interest. You hardly see the police overseas say, there was a time I was traveling out Dubai and me who driver in the car say, oh, so police ni what stop it 1 month. Not knowing say car say I think driver was short petrol. Police ni a man petrol.
Wow.
Man starting the car. Those are what the police are doing outside. Obi car say oh then car oh was short petrol. Police echo petrol at the brain. A man to the car echo. Those are the things the police are doing because they don't have much to do. Everything has been put in place. Until you don't even think of committing any crime. But I had on him say I had camera in her, we could dip on your obi sanity.
Yachimi class so I mean
Obenya penny be abedin. You understand? Until now I am run and these security measures as I said omodi go appointment.
Yo, na ya semi ye di ebebe ebege wo sha enimo ben ye betimi aye di begu kwan ho ebe masa na mu enwa de abrase.
I know they making kind aboso that say omoma one the security agencies no akodi ehia a ese se omode ko ebo oman ho ban no omomfa enum omo. And then secondly, installing this kind of these cameras. You perform say okodi bonem say ha say it's no go area. You wouldn't even think of going there. So our security agencies, they need a lot from the government to be able to protect the nation. But some man aside there, you don't expect someone's innocent child, say uncle with no ammunition. And then all the couple mind who buy. It's your best try by no, Nina on one your best try. So per se, these are the things it needs to do to protect us. On equipping and security services, and only idea I think say a bit to me Abuama this kind of activities, notorious activities now also communities it will be to me and then humans also be human youth keep on busy because there's nothing keeping the youth busy. There's nothing keeping the youth busy. Or smoky, robbery, prostitution, and one the education system. This before you can be able to enroll for whatever program you want to study. Until there might be restrictions, no adults. Mind and ama Sandema Wagina abo appear so ama or minor yeji dimpone outside. Taban Yashanwa, Uncle Sona or Moye, or Numa any school, school, and your secret service also, or I cripple more well. Now, to me, and so am I.
Yedasi bebre, Mr. Gala, yedasi. Yenya bema no akami nyina wakani nyina mi se adofo so amohye me no so monya sua bi ayede afumu na mesra mo se monyina mo hye mo ho eso ede eyie na nye bibia na ban betimi so ayede edi ayama emabu mo so mo try se mo bede mo beye bibi na mo yeso so me gidi se nyankopon hata so so obehu mo bre ni mo sanu amoye de mo yeye na wo hya so de ayede ede amamo na wo so wo hye ede adwenche na wo ede fa ene ensemi ya ababa eto jeiti no mesha wo se ko YouTube channel na ko subscribe efa ko too much GH na fe so comment section wo so for adwenche ede efa to na wo fi wo so follow wo Facebook Instagram and Twitter na me amede ene ensemi aba amakono so no me din ede afia enstroma ede se ne ye besen ehia makramo